To start editing a troll face meme in CapCut, first open the app and select the clip you want to use. Once the clip is loaded, go to the last frame of your video and tap to freeze it. This creates a still image at the end where you'll apply your troll face. Now import your troll face image and place it over the frozen frame. Adjust the size and position of the troll face to align it properly with the subject in your video. Next, head to the Adjust section in CapCut where you can fine-tune the visual look. Play around with brightness, contrast, exposure, and other sliders to match the troll face with your clip's lighting and tone. Then go to the Effects tab and search for Rebound Swing. This will add a funny, bouncy motion effect to your troll face. Apply it and tweak the settings to your liking. You can copy popular settings used in meme edits for best results. Finally, add the Black Flash 2 effect on your clip to emphasize the transition or punchline. This adds impact and gives it that classic meme video vibe. Again, feel free to copy settings you see in trending edits. With these steps, you'll have a funny and professional looking troll face edit ready to go.